In today's video, we're going to dive into the art of writing winning proposals on Upwork. We all know that first impressions matter, right? As a freelancer on Upwork, your proposal is your first impression and it plays a crucial role for you to get hired or not. My name is Shayan, I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork and I've earned more than $20,000 on the platform. In this video, I'm going to share with you my strategy, some tips and tricks to help you write compelling proposals and also win that project that you've been waiting for. Make sure to stay around because at the end of this video, I'm going to share a bonus tip with you that is going to change your proposal a lot. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Let's go from the very beginning, the introduction and the first two lines of your proposals. Now, we said that the first impressions matter, especially when it comes to clients that receive plus 50 proposals on a single project. You don't only want to send proposals, you want your proposals to be seen and you want your clients to read through your proposals. Now, if you want to make them read your proposals, you have to pay very attention to the first two lines of your proposals. Avoid starting your proposal with generic titles or greetings like dear sir or madam, hello, hi. Avoid using these words. Now put yourself in the shoes of your client. If you receive plus 50 proposals, you will definitely skip those that started with dear sir or madam because they don't grab your attention. Start with a professional greeting, use the client's first name and address the client's requirements directly. That actually brings us to the second part of the proposal. In the very beginning of your proposal, you have to show the client that how you can help them with their project. I know it's important to talk about you as well. However, clients on Upwork, they want to know how you specifically can help them to achieve their goals and meet their requirements. So in the very beginning of your proposal, you have to show the client that you have completely understood their requirements and you know what their problem is. You need to clearly highlight why you are the best fit for the project, how you can help them achieve their goals and meet their requirements. For example, if you're a web designer, don't just write I'm an expert in Figma or I'm an expert in WordPress. Tell them exactly how your experience, how your skills can help them to achieve their goals. If it's possible, include some relevant links, examples, past projects or feedback from your previous clients in your proposals to show that you have completed similar projects successfully and you can help the client to achieve his goals and requirements on this project as well. Now, when it comes to proposals, you want to keep your proposals short. Remember, we said clients on Upwork, they don't have a lot of time. They receive plus 50 proposals on Upwork and they go through the proposals fast to see if they are relevant for their job or not. So make sure to keep your proposals short, about 100 or 200 words, and make sure that it's grammatically correct and error-free. You can use tools like Grammarly for this purpose. Now, there are two things that I definitely want to warn you about. My friends, copy-pasting proposals doesn't work on Upwork. If you have started your freelancing career on Upwork and sent already many proposals but still didn't get a single reply from your clients, maybe it's because you are copy-pasting your proposals. It is impossible that two clients on Upwork have the same requirements, have the same job description, and have the same goals. So once you copy-paste your proposals on Upwork, you immediately send a red flag to the client that you haven't read the job description carefully, you don't know what their goals are and you don't know what their requirements are. In that case, you will not get hired, you will not even get a response from the client. Now, if copy-pasting proposals is not an option, then you might think about ways to make the process of your proposals faster. You might think about some tools like ChatGPT or artificial intelligence to write faster and better proposals. But let me tell you something clearly, that's not an option neither. Put yourself again in the shoes of the client. You will receive plus 50 proposals that are exactly the same words, the same sentences, the same structure. that would be another red flag to the client that you don't spend time and you don't value the client, you don't value their requirements, you don't value their time, and you just use tools such as ChatGPT to write the proposals. So copy pasting is not an option. Using tools like artificial intelligence or ChatGPT is not an option neither. You need to customize and personalize your proposals each and every single time to the needs, requirements, and goals of the client. Make sure to read the job description carefully and write a proposal customized, tailor-made for that job description. Now, this brings us to the last part of your proposals. However, it's a very important part. You don't want to just leave the client hanging in the black after reading your proposal. You must include a strong call to action at the end of the proposal. You need to navigate the client through the next step, which is hiring you. Now, in order to do that, you can offer the client a free consultation or a brief meeting on Zoom that showcases your commitment and willingness to discuss their project in details. And for those of you that have watched the video so far, here is the bonus tip that I promised before. Remember about the first thing that we said in this video, first impressions matter. Remember that we said you need to grab the attention of the client to make them open your proposal and read through your proposal. Now here is the bonus tip. You can use the client's first name at the very beginning of your proposal to grab the attention, show them that you pay attention to details and also that you have read the job description carefully. By addressing the clients with their first name, you add a personalized touch to the proposal and you definitely grab their attention at the very beginning. Now you might ask, how the hell do I know the client's first name? Well, that's where the bonus tip comes from. In order to know the client's first name, you can open the job and scroll down at the very bottom where you see the feedback from other freelancers on the previous jobs that this client had. Now, very often when freelancers leave a feedback to clients, they use their first name. For example, they say John was a great person to work with, he was easy to understand and he had clear communication. Now, as an expert of writing winning proposals on Upwork, you want to use that first name at the very beginning of your proposals. For example, you can start your proposal by saying Dear John or Hey John. See how it changes your proposals drastically from Dear Sir or Madam to Dear John. By using these strategies, I was able to land more than 40 projects on Upwork and earn more than $20,000 on the platform. So make sure to use these strategies on your proposals and I hope that you will land that dream job that you've been waiting for. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and also subscribe to my channel for more videos containing tips, tricks and strategies on how to become a successful freelancer on Upwork. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy freelancing.